Alright, we go. Box number 10. World Cup Prizm. Buena suerte, Walter. I'm gonna have to have somebody else pick the boxes, man. He was good on the first 2 runs. He did well. The guy that picked me the boxes, because I had him. So he picked the first ones, and I told him how well they were, and then he picked the second run, and I was like, done, amazing. And he picked this run. Now it's like, oh, come on, man, you got to concentrate a little better. You a huge fan of Prizm? Gotcha. Those are the last 2 I have at that price. Natal. United States. Asmir Begovic. Blue, white, and red. Red! Lucas Neal. Aussie. Oi. Where's Glenn at? Where's Glenn? 115 of 149. It's that fast. Ooh, it's called Quest Now, guys. Just because she said so. Yeah, this has been one of the good stuff. Lucas Neal. Full Star Prizm. Little Lucas Neal rainbow there. Prizm. Samuel Eto'o. Edin Dzeko. I think we got one. Yep, we got one. There it is. There it is. See it right there? This one only has 5 cards. Only 5 cards in it. That's shiny. They're all shiny. Blue. Edin Dzeko. Netfinders Blue Prizm. 181 of 199. Javier Hernandez, Chicharito. Yeah, and I gotta ship you your bracelet that you wanted. I have that somewhere. Somewhere in my bag or something. Mascherano. Obi Mikel. We got a red Didier Drogba. Red. Netfinders. Ooh, B11. 132 of 149. Didier. Where's Didier in that? I saw Pogba went to yeah, 8.5. I saw Pogba went to Inter. Mario Mandzukic. I can if you want me to. Oh, that's right. He did go to Montreal. Gonzalo Higuain. Blue, white, and red. Is that right? Looks like we got Hugo Campagnaro. Red, white, and blue plaid. Okay. Red. Ooh, compañero. Red Prizm. 135 of 149. Wow, George, wow. Pogba. Yeah, Pogba. Speaking of Pogba. Barami. There's Valon Barami, number 11. See, Martins knew what he was talking about. Prizm. Bastian Schweinsteiger. On base. Like stuck together or something. Last 2 packs before the autograph. Argentina. Argentina. Don't cry for me, Argentina. And we got a Pulsar Prizm of Javed Nekunam. Iran? Iran. Javad. Okay. Autograph. Our autograph is protected by Thiago Silva. Alright. And our country is Portugal. And it is Nani. 2 fake outs with Portugal. And 1 fake out with Argentina. Ah! Thank you, Walter. Pinche Nani.